beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mezabin Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. So if you wish to see more of my videos, then go please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. Turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video and you won't be missing out any of my new videos from now onwards after clicking that bell notification. So I will be everywhere on your device you are watching, everywhere on your phone. So yeah, like I will be posting lots of videos for you guys. So like I always say this in all my videos, literally. So in today's video I will be unboxing my June Bellabox. Like it's like this and I just opened it, so I have got no idea what's inside. So it is June 2019 Bellabox and it came a little bit early this month. Like most of the time it comes end of the month, but this month it came like today is 19 date and like it came a little bit early this month. I am really excited just because I have got no idea what is inside this box. Okay, as usual it comes with this card. It says travel ready treasures, like this. And at the back it has all the products details. So the first product is this one, Dr. Botanicals pomegranate. I have got no idea how to pronounce, but it's written here and I will leave it here. Superfood regenerating sleeping mask. So this is a sleeping mask. I don't know whether my camera is focusing or not. So it is like this in a box and it says here Dr. Botanicals and it is vegan, cruelty free and 98% natural. So it has 98% natural ingredients. So it looks like this. How cute the color is. Like let me just open and smell. Smells really good and it has that white, like just a moisturizer kind of mask, I think it is. But I will be posting updates on Instagram and also on Snapchat. Do follow me there, links will be below, about how I like it or not. So this is really cool to have a mask just because I love masks. So this says here it is full size. So this product is definitely a full size product. Full size of this mask is this big. I've got no idea, but like okay. Wake up with radiant skin thanks to Dr. Botanicals hydrating overnight treatment. It's pomegranate. I've got no idea how to pronounce that, but ingredients packed in bunch of antioxidants, nourishing and rejuvenating the skin while you sleep. It's also vegan and cruelty free, which is so good. Like vegan free products are really good. So this is 30 ml retails for $21.90 and you can buy it from ry.com.au and lookfantastic.com.au. So I will try and let you guys know through Instagram stories and also on Facebook stories, Facebook page stories, and also on Instagram stories. I already said Snapchat stories. So do follow me there. Like I will be updating about this product there. Okay, the second product is this. This is Serafine Botanicals lip and cheek crayon. So this is a lip and cheek crayon, so you can apply on the lip and cheek too. Come on, come out. Okay, it looks like this. And it is this color. I like this color, so let me swatch. It's really very pigmented and it's red, like such a beautiful red. I have just applied a little bit, so it's really pigmented and I love it. Literally, it's just wow, one of my favorite type of color. Like this color, I love red. It's literally so beautiful. So it says here, give your skin a boost of color without compromising its moisture. This crayon delivers a velvet mini matte finish and glides on as smooth as butter, with a blendable formula that's boost 8-hour long. It's a flush made to last. So it's really, like it says here, it will last 8 hours or longer than that. So it is okay if you apply, like it transfers, so you can just take a little bit of this product and apply on your cheeks if you want, but like I will use it for the lips, so just because you can use as a lip liner too, or just fill it all on your lips, like that's how I will do it. But like I won't be using on my cheeks, just because like I don't like using lipsticks on my cheeks. But this can be used on your cheeks just because it is 2-in-1 lip and cheek crayon. This product is full size, 2.5 gram, retails for $24 USD, and also you can buy from Botanicals.com. So the next product is this White Glow Charcoal Toothpaste. So it's a sample size and I already got this product like in my Bellabox one time I think, but anyways, it's a sample size, 24 grams. A White Glow's whitening toothpaste is activated with charcoal particles to help detoxify your mouth while removing deep stains and discoloration. It is highly absorbent, so it penetrates and draws out stubborn stains and whitens teeth enamel. So like 150 ml retails for only $5.99, available at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, Woolworths and Coles. So like it's 24 grams. It's good for my kids to use. So like I will put in their bathroom. So the next product is this Morphe Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo. It's like this. So it's only sample size, 100 gram. Creamy shea butter is whipped into this hydrating shampoo blend along with rich coconut and macadamia oils. Helps deeply squench, nourish and softens strands to get your hair back to looking healthy. This is the perfect companion for your travels. So it's good for travel size. I think mostly all the products are travel size. Now I know why it says here travel ready treasures. So mostly all the products are travel size, so that's really good. And this is a sample size and retails for only $4.99, 100 ml. So this is 100 ml, I think. It smells really good and it retails for only $4.99. And the next product is Morphe Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Conditioner. So this conditioner is same as that one. It's like same shampoo and conditioner. So it says Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Conditioner starts with a unique blend containing aloe vera juice and is infused with pure coconut water for best results. Use in conjunction with the moisture shampoo so your hair can be seriously silky. No doubt this will be the travel essential for you. So like both of this retails for $4.99 each, and you have to use it together so it will work together. So like $4.99, I mean nearly $5, so $10 for these two products is good. It is available in Woolworths and Priceline here in Australia. So the last product is a bonus product, and this is Garnier Pure Active Charcoal 3-in-1 Anti-Blackhead Wash, Scrub and Mask. So this is by Garnier, and like you have to apply and leave it to work as a mask, and it will remove blackheads, I think, and you can also scrub, so it can be used as a scrubber, wash or mask, like 3-in-1. So there is a wine voucher like this. I won't be using, but I think I will be giving it away to someone. I'm shaking it just because there is a code here and a password to be entered, and it is valid for 30 days. You can like go to www.nakedwines.com.au/bbox20. So tier of a gift from Naked Wines for Bellabox customers. So it's a $100 worth of gift, and it says at the back here how to use this card, and it's really good. But like I am not drinking wine or any kind of alcohol, so my hubby is not drinking too. Like we were drinking, but like we quit drinking everything, no alcohol in my house since 2 years now. So like I want to stay fit. Like by drinking alcohol, it makes me gain lots of weight, so I am happy without drinking. So like I will give it away to someone. So the last thing is a card. I think it's this movie MIB, that protect the world. I think MIB International, only in cinemas. They protect the world, we protect your smile. So it's by White Glow, and you can win a trip for 2 to London and other exciting prizes with White Glow. So yeah, this was it for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share my videos with your families and friends, and do hit the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.